Hey everyone, Glenn Williams here with Coldwell Banker MM Parish Realtors. I wanted to let you know about my open house coming up this Saturday, August the 24th from 12 to 4 p.m. over in the estates of Wilds Plantation. This is a beautiful custom pool home built by Warring Homes. It has over 3,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a study, and a bonus room. You will love the gourmet kitchen with its oversized quartz island, walk-in pantry, modern glass backsplash, and stainless steel KitchenAid appliance package. The owner's suite features dual walk-in closets, a large walk-in shower with frameless glass, a 6-foot freestanding soaker tub, and double vanities. This home also features beautiful hardwood floors, modern light fixtures, custom tray ceilings and wall treatments, along with top-of-the-line finishes. When you want to entertain your friends and family, you can go out onto your covered lanai that has a summer kitchen and outdoor fireplace. And when it's hot outside, everyone can enjoy the oversized screened-in pool that has a waterfall feature. This home sits on a premium half-acre corner lot which backs up to green space, so you have plenty of privacy. Again, everyone, I hope you can make it out to my open house this Saturday, August 24th from 12 to 4 p.m. I'd love to show you around this beautiful home. This is Glenn Williams with Coldwell Banker MM Parish Realtors. I hope you have a great day.